Hey everyone, it's your boy Avi here and I am the PPT boy. So I welcome all of you to my channel, and today we are going to do another practical thing. So the thing today we are doing is we are going to tear down a car just like what's inside. If you don't know the channel What's Inside, check them out. They are awesome. They have two channels, What's Inside and What's Inside Family. Check them out. Okay. So let's start tearing the car. So before we tear down the car, I would like to show you the condition it is. Very good. Okay. So this is how it is. Now let's start tearing down the car. Now let's continue starting to tear down. So first of all, we have to remove the screws behind it. So I've taken, here we go, 1, 2. So let's start. This one, a screw is not required. Now here we will require a screw. So first we are starting here. There you go. Screw taken out. 1. Second screw taken out. And now at last the screw in here. Here. Can you see it? Yeah, that's it. That's the screw. So let's take out that as well, sorry. Yes, now it's locked and loaded. Oh yeah, that's locked in and loaded for. Yes. Take it out. Now we can remove the body of the car. Simply, just like this. So now the car has come into 2 separate parts. So now next part you're going to see is we're going to remove doors, these, everything from the car. So let's do that now. Now as you can see, it's like a junkyard in here. A totally huge junkyard. Now I've removed some parts earlier so that they don't consume much time. So let's start removing the others. First, remove the screw. Sorry guys, very good, it's removed. Now keep that here. Remove this screw. Do you know why am I showing all these to you? Because I want you guys to see and I want you guys to watch and learn. Okay, that's attached pretty tight. Now I might have a tough time now. Got it. It's removed successfully. So now we've got only one left, that is this. Yes, that's successfully removed. That'll take, yes, that could kind of time. And here we are, that's done. So now as you can see, I spread the parts equally. 1, 2, leave that, 3, then the body, 4, 5 and 6. 6 parts. I just took it out with the help, actually 7 parts. There's 7 parts here. So I took it out with the help of a small screw, a screwdriver, a multi-screwdriver here. So this is the end of the first video. In the second video, what you're going to see is me, what do you say? I'm not able to get the word. It's like I'm going to arrange it back. Want to see that? Subscribe to the PPT boy for more updates. you will be seeing this video by today evening, Saturday evening, today's date 22/8/2020, 6 p.m. This should be on public, on YouTube. Okay. Thank you for watching. This is Daily Cinema. Bye.